Hello everyone. Today is a beautiful day to have some adventure. Namaskara. Yana Budar Komal Jennifer D'Souza. Yan Urud Kalyanpura. As a profession, yan anchor adulle, basically an MC. Apart from that, yan lecturer la undulle, lecturer la ulle at Manipal Academy, basically at Mahe. And recently, namma travel vlogging la start manda. Travel vlogging as in nama local urda pura jaga toja unavada. Basically beaches, resorts, restaurants, hotels. Incha pura nama highlight manpare tuondula through our YouTube channel, The Shoe Hostess. Starting ante panpe subscribe manpale. So that is The Shoe Hostess. So yes, apart from knowing, basically my name is Komal Jennifer D'Souza and as an anchor I am known as The Shoe Hostess. Yan puttadinni Kalyanpurad, Mallatinni Kalyanpurad, yan kaltinla mulpane at Milagres School and Milagres College. So right from kindergarten to undergraduate, LKG, IBOK, elementary school, high school, PUC, degree mutta yan mulpane mandini at Milagres. IBOK, MCom mandini at Mahe, basically at DOC. So apart from being known as Komal D'Souza, which is my name, as an anchor, as an MC, I am known as The Shoe Hostess. Enek panayan shoes padwe. MC manpanaga sire award, vehicle award nama shoes padde manpunu. Our heels pura pad the very muipun prayering board pan nama shoes e padun. Vaka praya 21 nadala itene very benne pura upadarundu and cha the shoes e padun. So that is about my life here in Kalyanpur. Born here, grown up here in this lovely small village. So I am very proud to say that I am from Kalyanpur. It could be my education, it could be the people around me, it could be the wonderful environment, the nature around me. So I am proud to be from Kalyanpur. So nama Olpa Ponda laite Kudlapura Ponda Alpakenware. Ultud baidini. Nama panpini Kalyanpura. Kalyanpura Ol Panda Kela Gotapuchi. But still, it's lovely, it's wonderful to say that you're from Kalyanpur. Anchoring the Bagge Panpinad. As an anchor, when did I start? I started from back in school where I was okay in English. Ancha English ante barondittandu kinne panaga books pura odonditte ancha English idu namma onte average hushar anta panoli. Ancha teachers nagal pura encourage mantondittar MC pura manperege school day ga unda day out day pura. So that's when the journey started. As an MC or basically as an anchor. And appaga ena undittundu namma onje paper patombini aite pura barepini avene panon popini bayat avadu odondu popini avadu oka appage na onje angi padunu namaste teacher panpini jana welcome panpini materegla. It was basically as simple as that. Adala malla, it was not rocket science. So eventually illadpura function anaga, as the functions started happening at home, illokelu balatotil paduna aikupura illa dagal pandera pidai takilegi niklepun e manpala MC ancha illade start mandini apagala illa start manpanaga I used to write everything in the scripted pura uddod barepini avene panon popini spontaneous apina question savale ittuji. So ancha panaga eventually when the guests who used to come for the family functions, they started approaching me. Akil Pandey, okay, why don't you come to our place and do it? So that from the friend circle would start aina averda boka hadota pida illa pond neighbors and then close family members anchapura manpere surumante. So eventually when I started going out, I realized script to the panpini is not correct, because it was basically not correct to read the script. So as an MC, it was yan pidai pura functions pura ponaga betaignal functions ponaga. I used to see that MCs used to be very spontaneous. And so I realized I should do the same thing as well if I want to grow. I started falling in love with this profession. I realized there was a lot to do in this profession, because you used to be able to talk to people, make them laugh, make them smile, make them play. So it was lovely to interact with different people, basically ranging from kids to the elders. It was wonderful to interact with all of them. It was wonderful to see them be happy with the work I used to do. Ancha panaga I realized I need to get spontaneous. Ancha illade kannadida eduru kulda untuda pateruna ippada or phone ode nana lines patta enkle normally ideas barpini epa me anaga ijanda joppere ponaga appaga pura ideas barpini ni patta phone geppunu and I used to start writing lines and all of that. So that is how I realized I have this potential that I can take this forward. That is how I started as an MC, a very low key MC, a very low key anchor. And then today I go places, cities. I go to Bangalore, Mysore, Kundapura, ancha pope mast dala ijji, and it's nice to meet new people and to see them smile and to see them laugh as well. So that is how it started. And apart from that, mast jana kenwer nik shoe hostess enika panda. Shoe hostess enik panda in our starting day and malpanaga I used to wear heels just like any other MC, any other MC out there. But then ఇంక మస్తు వర్షడ్ల వెరీ ಬೇನೆ ಉಂಡು ತೆಲ್ಪೊಚ್ಚಿ ಓಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ವರ್ಷಡ್ಲ ವೆರಿ ಬೇನೆ ಉಂಡು ಎಂಚ ಪಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಉಚ್ಚಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಟು ಮಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯಾನ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪೋನಾಗ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ ಶೂಸ್. ಒಂಜಿ ದಿನ ಯಾನ್ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಶೂಸ್ ಪಾಡ್ದೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ದೇಗ್ ಪಾಡ್ರೆ ಬಲ್ಲಿಯ ಪಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಎಡ್ಲ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಪೋಯೆ. Some people were surprised to see that I was wearing shoes and not heels. I think I was wearing a dress or something, and dress to gincha shoes paadu. As an MC, usually that idea is there ki MC heels paadu no, makeup manpoyer, kujal manpoyer, angi paadwer anchapura. Ancha manpanaga I realized okay, some people were happy about it. And they were like, oh nice idea, edde und idea, paadle shoes, and science. Reviews pura about negative and positive. But then I figured I should take it more positively. ಅಂಚ ಶೂಸ್ ಪಾಡಿ ಅವೆನ್ ಆಣಿ ಪಾಡ್ನ ಏನಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಜಿ ಇತ್ತೆ ಸೀರೆ ಪಾಡು ನಾವಾಡು ಇಂಚ ಗಾಗ್ರ ಚೋಲಿ ಪಾಡು ನಾವಾಡು ಅಂಗಿ ಪಾಡು ನಾವಾಡು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಪಾಡು ನಾವಾಡು ಪಾಡು ಶೂಸೇ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ದ ಮಿತ್ತು ಪೋನಾಗ ಆಂಕರ್ ಪಾಣಿಗಿನ MC ಪಾಣಿಗಿನ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಊರು ತಿರ್ಗನಾಗ ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪೋನಾಗ ಇತ್ತೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನ ಬರ್ಪೇರು ಊರದಗಲ್ ಬರ್ಪೇರು ನೆರೆಕೆರೆದಗಲ್ ಬರ್ಪೇರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಪೇರು ಅಂಚ ಪೋನಾಗ ಖಾಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಪ್ಪುನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಪ್ಪುನು ಅವು ಯಾವ್ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಪ್ಪುಡು ತುಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿಪ್ಪುಡು ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಂದಿಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಪ್ಪುಡು. ಸೊ ಆಂಡ ಒಂಜಿ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ವೇರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ಪುಣ ತುಳು ಬರ್ಪುಣ ಯಾಮಣ್ಪೆ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಆಂಡ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನಲ್ ತುಳು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಲ ಫುಲ್ ತುಳುಟೆ ಆವೋಡು ಫುಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡಡೆ ಆವೋಡು ಅಂಡ ಬಂಗ ಆಪುಂಡು ಪುಕ್ಕಡೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಪೋತ್ ಅಕಲೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಆಪಿನಿ ಇಜ್ರ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟಸ್ ಮನ್ಪೋ ಪುಕ್ಕಡೆ ಏನೇ ಕಪಂಡು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಐ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ is manageable, Tulu is manageable, Hindi is also manageable. So the only problem when it comes to an event is the versatility. So every day is a learning process, every day is a learning experience, so you have to improvise, you have to get better every day. So I'm still learning new things, and even though it's been 7 years in the area of anchoring and emceeing, even today I learn new things. When I see people, when I learn about new culture, when I learn about new cultures, when I learn about new traditions, it feels like there is so much to know about the world. So it's wonderful to soak new information and soak new things and apply it out there when you go to other events as well. So yeah, starting at Pandey, I am an anchor, I am a lecturer, and apart from that I am also a travel blogger. So second part is I am a lecturer. So Pandrek Ponda accidental lecturer and Panoli. Inik Panda starting at enna plans lecturer apina award athle duravana MC apina ippada gola itte inna life ade ena pura undundo nothing is planned. Matalla tattade atini and Panoli. Eventually if you ask me what my plans were, if you had asked me 5 years back what my plans were, yan pantuve my plans are to go to America and do my further studies there. Aved bokka alle untunu anda pira barpunu. That was my plan. Then some things turned differently in my life. There was a U-turn on the Pandreka Appaji, but my life took a different turn altogether, a surprise turn. And I realized I have interest in research, and I have interest in teaching. So class presentations for Malpanaga, it used to be fun to do the presentations in the class, boka kalpa onippada, boka research papers bare punippada. So I had a couple of people who told me, why don't you become a lecturer itself? So yeah, navenla explore mante avu option ena boka inchi emceeing pura mantonditte. I used to be a VJ for a channel here in Udupi as well. Udupi channel panda ik VJ aditte kela varsha, and MC was going well. Anchopanaga I figured, why not explore that option as well. So out of the blue I completely dropped out of the idea of going to the US or exploring any other options like going to Bangalore also. even if I did finish my post-graduation and go into Bangalore. So pura drop mante, I told myself I want to stay here. I told my mother I want to stay here. And urude untuve, urude ena board manpoe. I will start teaching at DOC. So I talked to my faculties and who are very supportive. And ite I am visiting faculty adulle at DOC Manipal. And this MC thing is also going well. So this is my 3rd year into teaching. And avondundu nana ena appundu todu. So research also is going on side by side. PhD mantondidri. But so let's see how things go. And plans undu and panperata yapala plan manpere balli baga plan mantina yapala ultane apundu pandu. Sadyagite tentative plans undu en chappan todu. As a teacher, the journey has been extremely fun. It's the thing where the nama teach manpa nama kalpava apaga nama information korpa ubeda vishaya. But the best part about this is ite namadla ite antu namadla jasti jokule gippundu enna amma enga avu panpera ubeda vishaya. So namadla jasti nama jokule gottippundu nama kalpana jokule gottippundu akkulo, you know, it's good to not just teach but also learn and get new information from the students as well. And apart from that, as a teacher, avunji ena panpera, I'm not talking about an authority or something, but then it is good to be feared. Kushi apun jokul namak tunaga ante podu verata. So that is good. And enka antu intu urudu pura panpe na friends naglu pura panpini an joru and malla soonti ante panpe soonti ante soonti namak dani. So it's good that you know, onji teacher panigina, it's not just that pride you have, it's that feeling of I don't know, it's a different feeling altogether, where you know that you are being respected and you are being loved as well. So it's good to be in the good books and sometimes in the bad books of so many students. So the journey has been wonderful. So these 3 years, almost 3 years at town battunda, except that this year has been unfortunate where it's online classes. Andala online classes andala, it's a different experience here as well, where you need to know, where you need to make sure that the students are listening to you. Ite nikil pantina kenondullera ija it interactive manperega apundu. So anchepanaga I think both online and offline classes have taught me personally a lot of things, and this journey has been, like I said, fun. Multiple areas at uppunu pannigina, it's like working 365 days. Ite before starting the YouTube channel itself, it's a lockdown batti boka events kadime and classes were as usual, but events must kadime and eventually antu completely eliminate aduttund events e ittiji. Andala, I think I used to realize that I used to work 365 days. 365 days enik panda weekdays gu bela ittondittundu, that is teaching. Weekends gu events ittondittundu. So lockdown batti boka, like I said, completely eliminate and itte onte avondundu. But then I realized that it was enk weekend pand itonde ittiji. So even the events start up in a dumba. Before I used to anchor, ite weekends gu pooje popuno, church popuno, nama youth gu popuno, aikapura ittan I used to get a lot of me time and personal time. And event start manti bokka, anchoring start manti bokka after going full-fledged, you know, practically speaking. And after going into teaching, I realized there is no free time at all. But I used to never regret any part of it. So being busy was one of the things I loved the most about my profession. So weekdays gu kalpauna, it was different. So the teaching and anchoring, obviously panodandiddi, they're two different, absolutely different fields. Even though it involves a lot of talking, it's different, completely different. And so panaga, it wasn't difficult. Vacations was not a question. Vacations panigina ennarege iji, kendrege iji, paaterege iji. ಅಪರೂಪ ಓಲಾಂಡ events ಇಜ್ಜಾಂಡ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೊಟ್ಟುಪಿದ ಪೋಪಿನಿ, that was an option. ಇಜ್ಜಾಂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಡ್ಲ ಇತ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತಿಜಿ ಯಾನ್ ಬರೋಂದಿತ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮೀಯರೆಗೆ ಜೋಪೆರೆಗೆ ಈತೆ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಪ್ಪನಾಗ ಅಂತೂ ಅವಲ ಇಜ್ಜಿ. But then honestly speaking, I've been extremely happy about the choices that I have made. Every choice that I've made. It could be me going into teaching, me going into anchoring, because inge yepala onji bad experience panditiji. So I think that is why this entire journey of anchoring and teaching has been pleasant, has been adventurous, most importantly has been adventurous, and also has been fun as well. Nama YouTube channel yepa start manpare tutini nama endine ijji. That's because I'll just give you a backstory. In the evenings, almost every evening, yaanla nama friends na, nama yan boka yana friends, nama pidai popa dinala bayag, almost dinala bayag. Incha nama uru dinchi anchi sitirgunu, and if a particular post comes up on Instagram showing some good places, so we just go and explore that places ena unda tupunu, and we just spend some quiet time there. In our photos pura click man pura panchati kijji, but then we just spend some quiet time there or just see what is around there. So anchaypanaga, so that was how we used to spend. That is how we spend our days. Even today also, nama pidaipura popa durat anchi inchi. Anchaypanaga, in the month of May, just if I just fast forward it, in the month of May, my friend who is part of the vlog team and the entire team, he came across a particular dance challenge. That is the Jerusalem dance challenge. And so I went to Manpuga. I went to Mandasa Manda. Namata dance pura apuji mara. Year Manpunam. Because yan, even though as an anchor yan dance manpu andala, our dance yan two yan kau yenchi anchi tirgunu yenchi inchi tirgunu inga arthane iji. I went nigga apuna. I went inga apuji. Practice manpuli. Yan practice mante. He sent it to me around 8 o'clock in the evening. Yan ani vanasadu amma jeppere poi bokka kitchen edukuldu kitchen edu untundu 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ yan practice mande aven. Okay, and video gette. Kai kada pidi. I shock at okay, then he said, let's do it. I said, yeah, we'll do it as a big group. Even he suggested the same thing. So we came to an impasse and we came to the bottom line where we decided we should make it as a huge group dance, a big group dance. Nama onji inchi friends aitite nakula inkle aklen letta. Akela regular dance barpuje nama lakkane. Ancha letta ಏನು ಅಂಡು ಪಂತಿಜ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಲೆ ಏನಾನ ಒಂಜಿ ಬೇಲೆ ಉಂಡು ಪಂಡ ಬತ್ತಿಗಿನ ಪಂಡ ಇಂಚ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಸುರುಕು ಹಾ ಹೂ ಪೂರ ಮಂತೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇಂಚಲ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಂಡೆ. So that day around 3:30 we started practicing. Aniye bayag we told them, get your home clothes, get your good clothes and these clothes. So practice manta aniye bayag shoot la manda maradani kuda shoot manda, and we released it on Instagram. Enkelna motive within Instagram release manpuna panda because my reach on Instagram was okay. So we said okay chalo Instagram. YouTube enchela channel ittadu 0 subscribers because I didn't have anything on that. So we released the same thing on YouTube also. Instagram Instagram 14,000 views anda YouTube ini almost 1.5 lakh views undu. So when the views reached around 40k or something, we were just sitting in the studio and my friend's studio where we edited the entire video. Namakulda pattern the next day na manpunu food manpuna because reach the subscribers started increasing and all that. We were discussing what to do next. So food vlogging manpuna jayena manpuna. So I told him why not do some travel vlogging. Patirrege inchala dala key korodon dijji key korondala patiron dippundu. So I thought okay patiron ya manpe shooting pura manpuga anchella studio de friend uller. So that day only we decided let's start travel vlogging. That very evening enkelonji book paton kulleya and I started making a list of all the places we should go to, and that was how the entire travel vlogging started. So ini nama onji I think 3 or 4 places mujhe naal jaga pota travel vlogging manda. So it has been gaining good attention and a lot of appreciation as well. So a lot of positive comments. Let's see how it goes. Our motive is to show the local places around here. Dura bokka popini suruttu kaitalda jaga to jaga panda enkelna aite the motive ancha nerekerada jagalu beaches, resorts and small bridges avpura to javna enkelna aite the motive. So avundundu let's see how it goes. Hopefully edde hit apundu edde click apundu pandi ennuva YouTube channel and mast edde kuda panpe subscribe manpule YouTube scope undu pandi ennuve. But the only thing is itte because I think everybody is free ante yanla free ulle pandi start mantini abetesha itte maatarla free pandite lot of people have started their YouTube channel illadikol denanda videos manpunu anchinchi popina videos manpunu food vlogging manpunu cookery start mandera. So it's good to see that people are taking their time, using their time in a more productive way. Anchapanaga, I think YouTube has a very good platform. Monetization is not very easy because akalna basic requirement 4,000 watch minutes, watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Avakal recently update la manditteru. So it's not easy to monetize and it's not easy to keep that content coming. Panpina suloba ijji. ಎಂಕ್ಲಿತ್ತೆ ಒಂಜಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮನ್ಪೆರೆಗ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಜಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ 2 ಸರಿ 3 ಸರಿ ಪೋಪ ಅವು ಬುಡ್ದು ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಮನ್ಪೆರೆಗೆ ಎಂಕಲ್ 2-3 ದಿನ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. It's not easy, but if you put your 110% and basically give your 200%, it's not that hard as well to make it into a profession. Sadyog nama profession manpala plan idji, but we genuinely want to work on it. So I think if you have the talent, if you have the potential, and if you have the material, or let's say the content, there is no harm in going forward, there is no harm in publicizing it, there is no harm in utilizing the resources that you have. The resources as in YouTube, Instagram. Itte maatarla kaande kuldinagal bayyag joppare ponaga ban malpun phone. Instagram avard, YouTube avard. Itte ora phone on mantana aven barikti arek sulobana. Ijji. So illogu tootaganalla nama barige namak suddila ippuji. And cheppanaga use it for your benefit. No, just use it for the best that you can do, and scope undu. Content ittanda use manpile, content ittanda use it positively and use it more resourcefully. Kaas parpina bokka. So for now I think if you have plans, take it forward. Kaaput cheyaregla. Inspiration, honestly speaking, from the beginning inspiration pand yearla ittije enalla ittiji. I have even when I used to go to other people's events and see other MCs and see other anchors, I used to never think ki ink akalna lakka avodu or akal ye tedde paathavar. I used to never be surprised or anything, because I used to never have that in my mind ki a role model divodu ancha panina dala mandedittiji. So honestly speaking, I can proudly say I am self-made from the support of friends and family. So inspiration pandaleji, but I have definitely had tremendous support from my friends and family. So without support, I am telling you personally, eng support ittijanda yana undu jagadu ipperege chance ittiji. So I really need to thank my friends and family for all the support. But inspiration, bottom line, not really. So to the people who are interested in different fields or varied fields, everybody knows what your potential is. Nobody knows ourselves better than ourselves. Beta opinions, suggestions, akalna comments pura baron dippundo on your life and on your choices that you have made. But there is no other person, there is no better person who knows yourself than you. Ancha ippanaga nikilna conscious nikileg ena panpund aven surut kendle gut feeling trust manpule avu sari apunda or it might go wrong avet bokka you will always know that you learn from experiences. So everybody has a certain hidden talent or a certain exposed talent. Always use it. Onji panpe specifically in my profession, I am glad that I used to read a lot of books, which I still do. I read, I watch movies, I watch a lot of TV, basically good informative TV and good informative books and all of that. So whatever I am today, I really owe it to my childhood. So as a child, nama ite yan malla anaga enakait phone ittiji. It was just books or some random entertainment that you used to get your hands on, toys and books and all that. So I am glad I used to spend my childhood and my time reading books, which I do even today as well. So my advice to you is, phone udu nikil time spend man per sari. But if it doesn't teach you anything, don't waste your time on that. So I see that, even though I'm not old, I'm just 25, I see that people who are just 3 years or 4 years younger than me are practically wasting their life doing nothing productive. So being lazy is one thing, but you need to, be lazy more productively. Joppanagala, nikilna Monday baltondippodu. So you need to have that thought process at all times. So itte the time with especially lockdown udu dala manperegijji free ullar. So whatever your talents are, aven use manpile. Yet kinna platform dippadu, yet kinna matto gippadu aven use manpile. Enek panna vora our time pass aigina nikaleka kuda tikkuji. So bokka regret manperega and ite kelavu pura ennaga if something that I could have done ite ennaga when I realized that I could have gone up on a particular adventure or done something about it. So when I think about it, I regret that I couldn't do anything about it. I regret that I didn't take that one bold step. So life would have a regret ippere balli. So given that today's generation has a lot of freedom and potential as well, aven use manpile. Waste manpere gand. So that is my bottom line. That is, use your talents wisely and use the resources optimally, and make sure that you are happy in your life with whatever you do, and towards the end of the day have no regrets at all.